Oh, good morning everybody. We're at Rhyd Ddu to the, is it Linigada, I think the lake is. And we all met at 6:30 this morning. I want to do the act competition because he's won it. Because he's the only one who's made an effort.
What about someone turns up later with one of them?
Oh. No, let's do it now.
It's won the best prize ever. You can buy everybody a drink.
Yeah. Get it over and done with.
You know the prize winner has to buy everybody a drink.
Hoping for sunrise. No, you know it doesn't happen. But the time you don't guarantee, if you're not there, it's going to happen. So you've got to put the effort in. So I've just done a little workshop with a client there, just a quick hour workshop. So now I'm on my way back to the car park to meet some more people, and then I've got to come back and we'll try and get some images of this fantastic location. I know the other guys, there's some up near here, taking some lone trees, some gone into the woodland. So we've spread out a little bit, but it's a fantastic location. Super easy to get to. Certainly no hardship walking wise, it's all flat, and you could easily get a wheelchair access. So it's great. It's a gravel path, so I'm not sure our wheelchairs would cope on the gravel path, but it's as good as you're going to get. And you could get images from the pathway. So that's another bonus. The mood's great today. The mood is great. It's fantastic. For a day shoot, it's just gone 9 o'clock actually. I should be up there at 9, so I've got to try and rush back. So I might get out of breath. And then I'm going to try and get a couple of images of this fantastic location. Okay, we're doing a couple of prizes. So if you come on a meet, we'll try and do these. One for the silliest hat.
It has been all the way up.
Right, seeing as you was the only one who made the effort with the hat, you've won. And you've won a prize.
Go on.
Let me get it.
There might be somebody else, yeah, don't.
No, they're too late now. They're too late. So yeah, go on. Because you'd have won anyway. It was a cracking hat.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it? Yeah. And your prize is nice. A bit of merch. There you go.
Very good. Thank you very much. Thumbs up.
Oh, hold on.
Thank you very much.
There's another bit of a top in there.
Oh,
And then we're going to do a photo competition. And the winner will receive a t-shirt. We've also going to do a little photo competition. And
I won't win that then.
well, you never know. What we could do with doing is any images that we took today, pick one out, send it to me, direct message me, and then I shall send them to Martin. So Martin doesn't know who's took the image.
Yeah.
Martin's going to choose one, and then the winner is we're going to get a shirt printed, probably with the image on, and thumbs up. Yeah, just a bit of a laugh. And then I'll just send it to whoever's the winner is. But if we do it anonymously,
Baby size, so it can be a little tiny t-shirt.
Yeah.
yeah. But if we do it anonymous, we don't know who's sent it in.
Yeah.
Or Martin won't.
Martin does.
Yeah. So if we send them to me, and then we'll put them all on Facebook then.
Yeah.
And do. No, it's just a bit of fun. All it is, a bit of fun.
No pressure.
No pressure. Yeah. It's not all bad, is it? And it's all fun. That's what it's all about. Fun and positivity. So let's be positive. Let's get back up here. Take me 10 minutes at the most. I might even stop and make myself a cup of tea. And then if there's anyone up here, because I'm not sure if they're going to be up here or not, can't get a signal, so we don't know. But I've got to I promised I'd be there, so I've got to be there. And we'll get them back down here, go and get some images. Not actually took an image yet. I got my camera out once and put it back in. I've not took an image yet. Like I said, I've been showing a client and it's all about the client. Hopefully he'll get some bangers. Okay, I'll catch you shortly. Ooh. Okay, so I've managed to get the camera out. It's probably 2 hours after I spoke to you last, but I have managed to get the camera out and get a couple of images. We come round here to take this photo of this tree with a wall leaning up to it. But while I was waiting for the light to be a little bit better, which it weren't still perfect to be honest with you, but I have grabbed the image. The cloud formation that's coming over the flank of Snowdon there was just... it's throwing slate at me now. Yeah, the cloud formation that's coming over Snowdon was just phenomenal. So we've grabbed a couple of images of that. But it is nice to get the camera out. Thoroughly enjoying the day, still fantastic. The guys have gone somewhere. I don't know where they've gone. Oh, there's one up there actually, one by the tree. Ginger's gone into the woods somewhere. He's on the radio, absolutely loving it.
Lovely because it's lit up, but the background is darkness.
And yeah, and a great time. What's he doing? What's he doing? What's he doing? He's up to something, isn't he? Okay, so don't ruin me hat. I ain't got my other hat on. Yeah, so it's actually, if anything at the moment, it's a little bit too bright, let's say. It doesn't look it, but it's a bit too bright. But very moody. Yes, let me just turn around to the Snowdony bit, somewhere over there. I might be able to bring that cloud out as well. Drop that down. There we go. There we go. So look at that. Look at that for a scene we've got. Yeah, a bit too much blue. But still not bad. Still not bad. Not a bad day at all. Right, let's crack on. See if we can get another image, eh? Okay, that's it done for today. We was going to go up the path there, but I'll be honest with you, most of us are beat, absolutely beat. So we've been chatting for an hour and we're going to head home. We are absolutely at it. But I've had one of the best weekends ever, and I've just got to thank everybody who turned up for it. We had about 10 toggers here, and it's been superb. And I think some of us have got some absolute belting images, so can't wait to see that. I will ask them to send them to me, and I'll show you them, because my images from this morning are pretty damn rubbish. But yeah, if they want to send them to me, I'll put them up on the video. And they found some new locations within Rhyd Ddu and down on in the forest there, so that's great. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this. If you want to come on these meetups, Thumbs Up Photography or Ginger Captures, join the groups. We've arranged them when and wherever, different parts of the country. Good, looking good, loving it. Come and say hello. We have a great time. Yeah, that's it really. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. I did, yeah. Strange, that, isn't it? Oh, God be honest with you, most of us are beat, absolutely beat. It was a greater spotted martin.
You actually hear it on your video?
Let's hope not, eh? Probably. Do me a favour though, try not to look at the camera. Even though I know you're gonna.
Yeah. When I've got knee trouble, but obviously not in your spec.